So welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. If you have any Samsung smartphone and if you want to unlock your any Samsung smartphone in just only 5 minutes, so this video is especially for you if you are seriously want to unlock your any Samsung smartphone without using computer and without using any kind of software tool. In just only 5 minutes we can unlock this Samsung smartphone without using Gmail ID account detail. So let's start the video first. You can see here, if you forget your Gmail ID account detail, so this video is especially for you if you have any Samsung model like A series, M series, J series, F series and S series. So let's start. First of all, you have to change your region first to English United States, and you know very well the Google is also from United States, so you have to select the same and click OK. Done. Your smartphone is ready to apply unlocking method. I know very well you forgetted your Gmail ID account detail. So first of all, you have to go to the emergency calls option here, and here when this page comes, you have to dial *#0*# and done. A new page comes into your mobile screen like that, and in this page, my friend, you have to find a very unique option called sensor. So this is the sensor option. You have to touch to open this. When this open, you can see here there are lots of sensors are synchronizing here: X, Y, Z, proximity, magnetic. So wait for only 5 seconds, and when 5 seconds completed, go back to the main screen. Done, my friend. After that, go to the next page to click start, and you know very well you have to connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot, and when you successfully connected to the internet like that, you have to click the add network option here, and here you got this small setting icon, so you have to click to open this setting page, and when this setting page comes, you have to do some important changes here. So first of all, you have to check a very important option, this called suggest text correction. So click here, and you can see here there are no any manage apps option here, so you have to bring back the option here, and for that you have to go back to the previous page and go to the last option. This is reset to default setting, so you have to open this, and you have to reset all options here one by one. Okay, like that. Go back, go to the upper section, find the first option, languages and types. So click here to open this, click manage input languages, and here you have to select English US and English UK and deselect all other languages. This is very important, and don't go back. You have to connect only charging cable at this time. Okay, you can see here I have a charging cable only, and I am going to connect only this. Done. After that, go back, and again you have to open suggest text corrections option. This is very important, so click here to open this, and finally we got this manage apps option, so you have to click to open this. Done. You can see here there are lots of application, so you have to find a very unique option, this called Samsung Max VPN. So you have to deselect this and go back and find a new option called layout. This is the layout section, so click here to open this, and you have to turn on alternative characters option. Okay, and go to the last option. This is www.slash.com, so you have to turn on this. Done. And at this moment, my friend, you have to remove the SIM tray. Okay, only you have to remove this. Done, my friend. And go back to the main screen, and finally you have to again open a very important option called emergency calls, and at this moment, yes my friend, at this moment you have to type a very unique Google FRP unlocking code here, and the code is *#97031*0*899 and *#. You have to type this code, and this code is very important, my friend. So you have to type this code and call this code and wait for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, and done. Go back to the main screen, and you have to turn off this smartphone. So press the power button and click the turn off, select turn off, and finally touch the turn off and wait for a few seconds. Because of that, your smartphone is going to unlock. So you have to wait for a few moment until your phone will be reboot, and you have to press the power button, press and hold for a few times, and after that your phone will be starting. Okay, like that. So if you are seriously want to unlock your any Samsung model like that, so you have to apply all these methods one by one into your logged Samsung smartphone, and at the end of the video you can use your smartphone as a new Samsung smartphone. Okay, so this method is very important to unlock your all kind of Samsung model at your home at free of cost. Yes, my friend, this is service center certified offline method. So you have to only apply this to unlock your any kind of Samsung smartphone at your home. And you can see here this Samsung smartphone is rebooted now. So you have to start your configuration as usual. So you can see here, my friend, you have to click agree to go further, and then click setup manually. And already you can see here this smartphone is connected to the internet. So click the next button and wait for a few seconds. And John, my friend, you can see here we got this skip message, means we can easily skip this whole process by clicking this small skip message only. And John, your smartphone is completely unlocked now, and without entering the Gmail ID account detail, you can configure your smartphone as a new smartphone. You can sign in with a new Gmail ID account detail in this smartphone. So you have to only apply this method into your logged Samsung model, and then you can unlock your smartphone like that. But if you have any queries regarding this method, so you have to comment only your specific Samsung model name, and then after our team will reply to you within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your any kind of Samsung smartphone at your home at free of cost. This is service center certified method. So you have to apply all these methods one by one into your logged Samsung smartphone, and then after at the time of the end, you can use your smartphone by using this amazing service center offline method. So if you have any queries, comment us. Our team will reply very soon. But don't try to skip this video. Otherwise, you cannot learn how can you unlock your smartphone. So wait for a few seconds only, and then after your phone will be unlocked by using this amazing service center method. And you can see, my friend, this Samsung smartphone is completely unlocked now without using any Gmail ID account detail, and now this smartphone is completely configured. You can now sign in with the new Gmail ID account detail here. So if you have any queries, comment us. Our team will reply very soon. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.